Welcome back to the channel. So happy new year to everyone. It's the first video of 2020 and back working with the golf. Sorry for the sun. Yeah, so I said I was gonna work on the wiring, but I was waiting for a part that I bought yesterday for the engine mount, because the engine is not level at the moment, and then I don't wanna mess with the wires because that flex, if it flexes, it'll like the length of the wires won't be the exact. So I had to get that from DRD Della Ray Racing Developments in by Volkswagen. They sell the mounts, and yeah. So I'll show you the part now. I'll open it, and yeah, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So this is what I'm talking about. The rear engine mount, actually called gearbox mount, for the cable shift gearbox, and it's soft poly, so it's for like the road, for street use. And my engine mount, it's got the same compound as this. And I recently ordered the top of the gearbox mount. So here it is. It looks very nice, well made. See this? See, it's soft. It's not as hard as the solid poly mount, and it's nicely built, I can say. So this will hold the gearbox and engine in place, because at the moment it's sitting off completely. So today's video I'll be installing this, and if I get the other mount, I'll be also installing that and revealing that one too. Yo, so let's get to that. And yeah, and we hit over 100 subscribers, so I'm excited for the journey ahead. Thanks for all the subscribers. I know it's only 100, but to me 100 is the best. So thanks for 100, and yeah, like and subscribe for more. Thank you. You have to remove that old mount that I was supposed to use, but rather buy the mount. So you have to remove that, put the car on jack stands, jack the car up, and yeah, see this is the mount I made, but I'm gonna buy a proper mount, because the proper mount looks better, and yeah, you can't have that shit there. And then got the drive shaft here, one of them, because I'm missing the long one. This is the cup from Audi A3 that uses the same gearbox as that, so the cups are the same. So this is a Golf 1 shaft. It got the same spline as the drive shaft of the A3, so I just took the Golf 1 out and put the outers of the Golf 3 or A3 and put it there. So yeah, really get new CVs for the side. And yeah, so let's get to jacking the car up and removing that old mount. So got the jack, gonna jack the car up. should be sturdy enough. But these ones. So to remove this mount, you have to take out those two 16s. Oh, 116. And yeah, just remove that. And those plates here, just remove that bolts that's there to take it out. Finally, the mount is in. See, it looks very nice. Uses these 3 holes here from the gearbox. Yeah, and see, the engine don't even move anymore. And it only has 2 solid mounts at the moment because I'm still need to buy one for there. So I'll go pick that one up today. And yeah, it's here, I'll put it in. Yeah, so then I can start with the wiring one of the days. But yeah, keep you posted just now. It's the next week, the following week after the previous clip, because I had to wait for the gearbox mount. And yeah, so I got it today, so I'm gonna unbox it. And yeah, see, let's check it out. So it's in the same packaging as the last mount. See, DRD. See, here's the part code, part number, and code. Yeah. See, it's the Mk1 upgraded low upper left hand side cable shift gearbox mount. See, this is how it looks. Let me open it for you now. Here's it here. So this is how it looks. It goes on like that. So now I have to remove this mount here, this mock-up mount, to put that new mount on. So let me get to that, then I'll show you the end result. So now the other mount is out, so ready to put that on in. Got that on there out. Yeah, so let me install that, and then yeah, get back to you guys. Engine mount is in, rear one is in. Yeah, so yeah, looks very nice.